probably don't even recognize me right now. Just chopped off all my hair right now. I just decided to do something different. I got tired of having long hair. Got super messy. Decided to just get a little buzz cut with a fade. The last time I've had this type of hairstyle was probably back in like elementary school, middle school times. It's about 10 years ago, a little over 10 years ago. It's crazy. Nice change. I don't gotta like mess with my hair or anything. But yeah, anyways, now I'm actually dropping off a few orders. While we drop off these packages, I'm actually picking up something as well for the FRS, which I'm super excited for. Like this right here is literally the main reason why I bought the supercharger. Like this is the selling point for me on why I got this exact Vortech Supercharger. So yeah, they close in 10 minutes. So yeah, let's go ahead and pick that up inside of the post office. Yo, we got it. Oh man, I'm so excited. We got the Vortech label. Ooh, I should just open it right now. Yeah, the only thing that sucks is I gotta wait until like tomorrow or the next day to put this on. Well, for you guys, it's only gonna be like 30 seconds or something, but oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Damn, I don't know if I should do this. This is not a good idea. This thing is literally full of packing peanuts. Oh man, race blow-off valve upgrade assembly. Let's freaking go. So this right here is the Maxflow Race blow-off valve for the Vortech Supercharger. This is what pretty much sets off the Vortech Supercharger. I actually have a friend on Instagram. He goes by Shark FRS. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's gonna sound like. Oh, damn. Bro, I cannot wait. It's a real cool thing I wanted to show you guys picking this thing up. Here it is. Here's the Maxflow Race blow-off valve. Damn, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I cannot wait until we can put this thing on.
When the judge is calling you defendant, beef home with a long jail sentence. Hand it, sentence, hand it, sentence, hand it, sentence, hand it. Beef is when the judge is calling you defendant. Beef home with a long jail sentence. Hand it, sentence, hand it, sentence, hand it.
So this right here is the Maxflow Race blow-off valve. Pretty much replaces this whole thing right here. From the supercharger, goes all the way down. And if you go down here, connects right here, just before the intercooler. Literally just a replacement piping with the blow-off valve. And it gets rid of this. So the original piping has this little like filter right here. And then also a breather hose that connects at the very end. I was thinking that this could possibly be like direct bolt-on to this mount right here, but the flanges are different, so I needed to buy this whole piping right here. This is good to go, just bolted it on with the flange, and all that's left is bolting it onto the car, and we should be good. This. Oh, yeah, this was like the stock one, whatever you want to call this. What is this even for? Like, it's I
have no clue.
So now since we removed the original piping, all that's left is literally just bolted up where the original one went, and it'll make some cool noises after that. I like don't want to scratch it, but at the same time, it's kind of hard not to scratch. There you go.
Oh, first try.
I'm gonna connect the, I believe this is like a breather hose. I'm gonna connect it to the bottom of the blow-off valve. How the heck is that supposed to fit over this? The opening is so small. Seriously. This hose right here is way too narrow to put on the opening right here. I put some grease on it. Maybe a little. Actually, I think I can get it. Oh, I got it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, got it. I'm sweating. Pants are gonna rip and everything.
Ow! Gosh. What? Zip tie cut me.
That wasn't too bad. I said it was gonna be like 15 minutes, but
Yeah, I was
maybe 30. It's just hard to do. I was just kind of lazy. I didn't want to take off the bumper and stuff. So we're kind of just like working around like. Is that it?
Yeah, just got zip tie, I think. Hose.
That was probably like the same difficulty as putting the supercharger on.
Dude, that's super expensive. Just this
Back
alone.
and everything. Oh,
8
my
hours,
t-shirt was
bro.
like soaked in sweat.
This was 8 hours.
We're ready. I started?
I'll start.
I'll let you start. Look at this dude. Dude! Oh my god! You hear it? Dude, that sounds so freaking good! Oh my god! Because you're like baby revving it and I didn't hear it. I was like, wait, did we do something wrong? Oh, that is crazy! Oh my god. That sounds so good. I'm hyped.
You rev it. You rev it. Hey,
I love that, dude.
keep the revs up.
Keep it up?
Keep it up. You'll hear it.
The neighbors can't be too happy right now.
No.
That was like going through a wind tunnel.
That literally sounds like a jet.
Dude, my ears are hurting.
Sounds like a jet. I'm so hyped. Alright, so we're about to take this thing on a drive. I just need to put the intake back on the car and then we'll get some sound clips.
And food clips.
And food, yeah.
Wow, dude. You can't hear me, huh?
Yeah, I can't hear you. Even when we're in the same car.
Bro. Oh! Whoa!
The inside is open or no?
I think it's only for takeout.
Your car's driving away.
Oh,
Oh Dude, I thought it was actually real.
Dude,
You
me too.
out.
Freaked out.
The biggest smile on my face the whole time driving here. It sounds so freaking good. Like, literally why I bought this kit. Like, I probably said this a million times, but dude, I love the way it sounds. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of the new blow-off valve. You ready, bro? You're gonna drive it.
Huh?
You ready?
You want me to drive it?
Yeah. You gotta feel E85.
To the next light.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nice cop.
You wanna go?
Is that a cop?
You wanna go?
Is that a cop right
Where?
there?
Oh shoot, it is a cop.
Right there?
Once it's like 4,000, like step on it, explore. How's it feel? It's quick?
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta do a second gear full. Second gear is crazy. Step on it. Damn. What do you think so far?
I can't wait to boost it.
I told you.
2 hours?
Feels good, dude.
Dude, it's so different.
It's such a big difference from 91.
Oh, yeah.
Time to boost.
Yes.
Yes, it worked. E85 worked.
E85 's
I knew it would.